just asking only, you respond to me and you're arguing to me. Actually, automatically, you know what I'm saying. So that's why and then you said to me that if you're the one who will who have this CD, and then I will and then you asking me or you have some favor that hey you have soap case. Yeah, I will give you the soap bag. Oh, that is a case. Oh.
The difference between the soft case bag is very
Actually, you're arguing only to me, so that's very simple. To ask. I'm just asking only if you have a soft case. And then you telling to me that actually that is not a soft case. You mean
what did you
soft
tell?
cover
What
like
did
that.
you
Then you give me some some drugs, sana
soap cover? Soap cover. You never
So
told
that's
me.
why I'm telling to you, if you are the one who have this CD, and then you asking me, oh, just like you have a soft case. Wait. You mean soft cover like that? Soft case. You can give you a soft bag like that.
You want to have this one, soap cover?
You're arguing only to me. Just give me some cover so that I can protect the CD.
I'm telling you kasi what are you going to tell me? Then you told me that, you have soap cover.
No, so that's why I'm telling to you. You're arguing with the nonsense,
Arguing with you bitch.
You're an asshole. You're an asshole.
You and
Bastard. You're an asshole.
this guy?
Hey, this guy.
Okay.